Isn't it sad when people don't get blessed when they sneeze? Today's agenda is that we're gonna go around and help those people. Bless you.
Thanks, Eric. Oh my gosh.
Wow. Bless you. Bless you.
I used that black woman. Fucking like. No.
Not you.
Bless you. Oh, you're like second grade. No, it isn't even that bad. It's like sudden shock. It's so scary. Achoo! 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 Bless you!
Bless you, man.
You're probably wondering why we went around today blessing everyone. We feel fortunate having the facilities given to us to live in a great country like America. And we feel fortunate to have friends who care, who really understand us, who bless us whenever we sneeze, who pick us up when we're down, who bless us whenever we sneeze, who give us food when we're hungry, who bless us whenever we sneeze, who loan us money when we need food, who bless us whenever we sneeze. And so, when we realized there were people who weren't getting blessed whenever they sneeze, we decided it was time to give back. So we bless people whenever they sneeze.